Commercial production of electric vehicle batteries is finally underway at a plant in Kentucky. BlueOval SK in Hardin County began producing batteries at its Kentucky One facility on August 19th. Energy packs being made there will power Ford's all-electric F-150 Lightning. My name is Piper Hansen, and I am a business and economic development reporter at the Lexington Herald-Leader. And here's what you should know about how the Bluegrass State's EV landscape is shifting. In Hardin County, Ford Motor Company and South Korea-based company SK are building a nearly $6 billion, 1,500-acre campus. 2 battery plants estimated to employ 2,500 people each are being built there, but only one of the facilities is operating, and it only employs about 1,450 people. Production at BlueOval started just a few days after Ford said it will invest $2 billion in its Louisville assembly plant. There, Ford says it will keep 2,200 jobs to support making a new mid-size electric truck. That vehicle will be the first in a family of EVs it hopes to build at scale using an updated assembly line that removes parts and speeds up the process. At the end of September, tax credits for consumer purchases of EVs will sunset, and the Trump administration is redirecting funding away from the infrastructure it takes to charge EVs. Auto industry experts are worried those changes may decrease the demand of EVs. Ford's CEO Jim Farley said the company is willing to make the bet on electric vehicles, even though there is risk involved with making that choice. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear said electric vehicles are the future, regardless of what policy is coming from the White House. But Representative Andy Barr, who represents Lexington, Richmond, and Georgetown, where there's a massive Toyota factory, said the Trump administration's pullout of funding for EV infrastructure allows the market to dictate what it wants instead of the government. Workers at BlueOval are set to vote to unionize at the end of August with the United Auto Workers after months of back and forth with the National Labor Relations Board and company leadership. Plant employees say their bosses launched an anti-union campaign that delayed the election they wanted when concerns began to arise about worker safety. You can read more of these stories on Kentucky.com. Thanks for watching.